What is up, y'all? This is Woody from Woody's Reeltime Fishing, and this is Woody's mom. This is my mom right here, and I just brought her out here for moral support, just in case I don't catch any fish. I got a shoulder to lean on, so we out here at Jekyll's Island trying to get some flounder. So this is where we at right here. I'm gonna be fishing over there. My cooler's over there, and there's the pier over there. So yep, we'll go ahead and get on some fishing and see what we get. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we just use a mud minnow on a popping cork right here to get some flounder. All right, something just took my cork under, y'all. Got something. Yeah, didn't take long. Got a flounder, but he's too small. Too small and slippery. Get him off here. Too small. Alright. Got another one. They just keep on being small. Another small one. They need to be at least 12 inches. And he is not there. There we go. Flounder got my line right there. It's taking up away my barber. I think I don't know he's on there, but he's on there. Let's see. Keeper. Got another one. Oh shit. I can grab him. Oh.